Hey guys, it's Dawn from Princess Mom's Travel Tips, back with our World Showcase tour in recipe form. If you remember, last time we were in Mexico and we're moving on to their next door neighbors in the Epcot World Showcase, which is Norway. The recipe that we're going to do is a meatball. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, so I'm through the magic of Google. Here we go.
Kjottkaker.
Wasn't that magical? And completely flawless. What you're gonna need is a pound of pork, pound of beef, quarter cup of shallots, quarter cup of capers, half cup of steamed beets, salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. In a large bowl to mix it in. So we're going to put in the pound of pork, followed by the pound of ground beef, followed by the capers. I did mince these all up in my food processor that I got for Christmas. Yay! I did a really good job, and I could never have got it this small, so it was pretty awesome. And the beets, and 2 tablespoons of the Dijon mustard. If your Dijon mustard will pour. There we go. And then salt and pepper to taste. Now, I know that's a little bit hard when you're putting it on raw meat, so I pretty much eye it. I don't really know how much salt and pepper people like to use in their cooking, so I leave that up to you. And we mix this all up. I used a wooden spoon. Any kind of spoon will do. It was really easy to mix, not too hard. It comes out very red. Anyway, then you take about a tablespoon and form them into either patties or balls, whichever way that you would like to do it. I did it both ways. And then a little bit of olive oil and heat your pan. And put your meatballs in the pan for cooking. And then they'll start to brown. You have to move them around, turn them over, so that they cook evenly. And there they are, all sizzled and cooked. And there we go, guys, our finished product. I did serve with mashed potatoes and a vegetable, which they do in Disney. They do normally have some kind of gravy and also a Lingon berry jam with it, which I could not get because of this stupid pandemic. It was hard to get all of the ingredients that I needed. But it turned out pretty good and it was really tasty. So I hope that you'll join us next time when we head over to China. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks again for joining us, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a great day. Have a magical day. Bye.